Each patient that received any prosthesis, we always give them post-op care. So the care for each prosthesis might deviate a little from another, but those instructions are specific for the patient. Sometimes when we give the instructions, it's best for the patients to come back to visit us maybe 2 or 3 times so we can just make sure that the cleaning process is according to the guideline and that they're able to maintain good oral hygiene. But yes, we give the written post-op instructions and we demonstrate before you leave. However, it is strongly recommended that you come back because bad habits are difficult to break and something new is difficult to maintain. You might think you're doing the best job, but even with the water pick, we recommend that you come back to us on another visit after you've cleaned your teeth, and then let me evaluate and see how well you're doing. And then we demonstrate how to improve it better because we want you to be able to keep your denture forever.